channel called Fun with Atharv and Amara. And what we do in the YouTube channel is we do science experiments and we tell you the explanation. And we even demystify the laws and the complex principles of science. Okay, now let's go to why I am here with my little sister today. Well, Cambrionics Life Science have lent us one of their kits, and today we are going to explore their kits and do the unboxing of it. So let's take a look at the kit. So what is the topic today and why do we have this kit? Well, we are going to show you how we can see DNA. We can't because they are very, very small stuff in our body. But you can see it with a well-powered microscope. But what if I show you today that we can see the DNA of this banana? Okay. So what is DNA? Well, DNA is the molecular blueprint, and that creates RNA, and RNA creates proteins, and it creates the magical thing called life. Okay. So now let's do the unboxing. Wow, I'm so excited.
Me too.
I'll open it first.
Yes, thank you, Baya. This one.
Wow. Just look at this. So this
comes with the instruction.
Yeah, this is like an instruction manual. And look at this.
And these are all the things that you can
Yeah.
which came with.
So let's keep this box aside. And let's keep the remote aside. And let's do an experiment. So what we need for this is, let's see here. Okay, we need salt, and we need some detergent, and we need some IPA. You will get all this in the kit. And we are using salt, detergent, IPA, a test tube, a dropper, a aluminium cup for making the mixture, cup for filtration, toothpick and masher, and guys, we need a banana and we need some water.
We also get a cup.
So, what we first have to do is, let's begin. So first you take your aluminium cup.
I can do
So first you take the aluminium cup. And then you take your banana. Yes, look. So what they did first was they took the aluminium cup, they mashed the banana, mashed half a banana only into this container. So let's take this banana.
Here's a knife.
Yeah. Guys, don't worry. We'll not get hurt. It's just a toy knife. So now let's
Cut it out.
I'll cut it half.
Yes, Baya.
Yes. So here it is. You take it in. And now you just keep this aside. Now what we have to do is you have to make it into a fine paste using this. Let's remove everything they gave us. And kudos to Cambrionics Life Science.
Baya,
Yes?
this tip had me a great idea to do a next experiment. We can cut this part and blow it from here in water, and so then we can it will happen to flowers. Then we can do that again.
Yes, Amara, we'll try. But now let's do this. So guys, I think our mashing is done. So now, look, just look at this. Isn't it just fine? So what you do is you take the pipette and then Amara, I'll show you and then you can do it.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, and now let's stir it. Should I do it faster, Amara, for you? Thanks. So yes, that's enough water. Now what to do is take salt. So here you see, we use salt next after the water. So add little water, then you add pinch of salt. And now let's take this IPA, the detergent. Yeah, so let's take this detergent. Open it. And guys, be careful with these. So what we do is we take some detergent. So yeah, as you see here, and mix well. Just a few drops of detergent.
Can I also put some with you?
Yes. And one more. That's enough.
Can I mix this?
Yes, Amara, that's superb.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's done. Now the next part. You take this gauze
And keep it in
you
I can hold it for you.
and then
Just
you put the filter in it.
that in.
Let's stir.
Stir, 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 stir.
Look, our filtered banana mixture is right in here. So, after we filtered it
I hold it for you.
and we put it through the gauze, we put it inside the test tube. And now what we have to do is we have to take the IPA.
Bhaiya, mind I hold it
Let's
for you?
yes, and I be careful with the IPA. It doesn't get in your mouth. Guys, we put the IPA in our filtered banana mixture. Now let's give it some rest and keep it in that cup. So guys, you know what time it is? Fun fact time! So guys, did you know that we share 99.9% of our DNA with everyone in the world? And do you know something else? And it may be a little funny. Guys, we share 98% of DNA with chimpanzees. Guys, no wonder we always jump around like chimpanzees jump. And guys, do you know so guys, DNA is the short form. What is the long form of DNA? Well, deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay guys? Okay, Mom has 2 questions to ask me. So Mom, shoot away your questions.
Hi Atharv. Atharv, do you think aliens are real? And if they are, do you think they are made up of DNAs?
So Mom and everyone, I don't think aliens are real because no scientists, I'm not seeing them. And I don't Like, I don't believe hearsay. Like, some people tell aliens are real and you see it, but they will be theories, myths, or stories. So I don't know. So I believe in science and facts. There are no facts. Nobody has discovered, not even scientists. So
It's not real.
it's not real.
Okay, Atharv, that's great. I have another question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think there is any living organism without DNA?
No, ma'am, there can't be. There can't be any living organism without DNA. So, guys, why? Because every organism needs DNA to grow, and it acts like a heart. Like, without a heart, you can't survive. Even without DNA, you can't grow, and maybe you can't even stay alive. Okay, ma'am? So, that's my answers, ma'am, for today. For these two questions.
That's great. Now let's see if you have extracted DNA of the banana.
Yes, ma'am. So, should I show them now?
Yes.
Okay. So, guys,
No,
first you take your toothpick and then you tick, tick, tick. Guys, it actually works. Can you see that tiny particle? That is DNA. Guys, come here. Guys, they are so small. I can't even see it properly. So, guys, they are even smaller than an ant. So, Amara, can you see it? It's very small, right? So let's keep it inside. So guys, I hope you understood the science, what DNA is, and you enjoyed this video by the Cambrionics Life Science, and me and my sister did this experiment and video. So guys, like and subscribe to the channel called Cambrionics Life Science, and even to our YouTube channel called Fun with Atharv and Amara. So go there and see our videos. We have many videos. And like and subscribe and share even the Cambrionics Life Science. Okay guys, so bye and thank you. Like and subscribe for both our channels.
Hey all, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video to be interesting, please share it to your friends and known people. Also, if you want such experimental kit boxes for your kids, please reach out in the number below. Thanks a lot.